Hello, this is Michelle Hørdum. In this video I want to show you how to earn in Right to the Future. First of all, when you have bought a trading pack, you actually don't need to do anything more, and you can just wait 7 trading days and then your account will start earning your daily trading profit. It's completely awesome, and you can see it here on the front page where you can click view more, and then you can go in. I take some of the last, and you can see here every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, it automatically comes to my account, to your account, to anyone's account who has a trading pack in Right to the Future. So actually, how do you earn? You don't need to do anything except create a profile, buy a trading pack, and see that your account is growing daily. So that is how you earn in Right to the Future. Are you a happy and satisfied member? You can of course share the concept with other people and earn even more. All I want to do now is to wish you the best and good luck with your new Right to the Future online income. Bye bye.